Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for checking out the channel. Today we are out here with the Snaptain S5C, probably best drone in the $100 market. This drone comes with more features than probably any other $100 drone I've seen. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and let's get this thing checked out. I'm super excited. All right, here we go guys. This is what you get in the box with the Snaptain S5C. This drone has tons of features. Right away we got our card to read, our bag of goodies. Here's our instruction manual. It comes with a whole set of prompts, screwdriver, all types of little good stuff in there. I like the way it's packaged. They put thought into it, so that automatically tells me that this is a great company when they put thought into their packaging like this. This looks beautiful. And there you have it. You have your remote with an instruction card of what every button does. I love that. Remote looks great, and they tell you what every button does. That is fantastic. Over here we got the charging cord, and we've got prop guards. We've got the legs for the drone that you have to put on, but that actually will only take about 2 seconds. And then here you go. Here is the drone itself, the Snaptain S5C. Obviously incredibly well built. It's plastic, but feels like a really good plastic. You can see they put a lot of design into it. This even comes with two 550 milliamp batteries, and I believe one should already be in the drone. And I believe you do it like this, where you pull it down, and yes, there's the other battery. Lights on the front and back. Wow, this drone looks beautiful. Again, tons of features. Let's get it charged up and get this sucker outside. Okay guys, here we go with the first takeoff with the Snaptain S5C. We got red lights in the back, blue in the front. You have so many features on this drone, but for right now, we're just gonna go ahead and do the preliminary takeoff inside, and let's see how stable she is. Down and out to engage the motors, or you can do the automatic takeoff. We'll just go ahead and do the automatic takeoff. Oh yeah. You trim her out a little bit. Wow. That is beautiful. Little trim button there. You use the pads for your trim. Look at this guy. That's hands-free. That is impressive. That is stable. Preliminary takeoff test, the drone is very stable. You got 3 different modes here. That's first, that's second, third. Woo, yeah! Very stable. Let's get this sucker outside. Before we do our outside takeoff, I just wanted to let you know just a couple of the features this drone has. This drone actually has point to fly. You tap your phone screen and draw a line where you want it to go, and the drone will do it. This drone has flip mode. This drone has 3 individual modes: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. This drone has a 720p camera. This drone has tons of features on it. Camera, 1 button push, 1 key return to home. So let's go ahead and get it taken off, and let's see what this sucker looks like. Alright guys, let me show you what it looks like through the camera here. It's actually really nice 720p camera. You can do photos, you can do all types of cool stuff. Very nice. Alright guys, so the Snaptain S5C, it actually flew like a champ. It's a little breezy out today. We probably got at least 8-mile-an-hour winds, but this actually handled it really, really well. This has multiple features. Like I said before, tap the screen and the drone will go to wherever it is. It has 1 key return to home, Wi-Fi drone. The Wi-Fi signal I didn't lose a single time. And this neighborhood is notorious for bad Wi-Fi connections, and it held Wi-Fi solid. It's an altitude hold drone. This drone is fantastic. I'm going to leave the description for the drone in the description box below, but Snaptain definitely built a winner here. This drone is fantastic, and if you get the chance, definitely pick one up. I really appreciate you guys checking out the channel. Look for future videos on all the different modes that this drone offers, and as always guys, hit that subscribe button, leave me a like, a comment. We'll see you on the next video.